This is the complete technical manual for the John Deere 655, 755, 855, 955, 756, 856 compact utility tractors. It contains deep information about maintaining, assembly, disassembly and servicing your John Deere 655, 755, 855, 955, 756, 856 compact utility tractors. This manual contains information and data to this model. Has specs, diagrams, and actual real photo illustrations, color schemes. This technical manual is as good as it gets for diagnosing, repairing, and maintaining John Deere machinery. Some content. Section 10 General Information. Group 05 Safety. Group 10 Repair Specifications. Group 15 Repair Information. Group 20 Fuels, Lubricants, and Coolants. Group 25 Serial Number Locations. Section 20 Diesel Engine Repair. Group 05 Yanmar Diesel Engine Repair. Group 10 Remove and install oil cooler. Group 15 Remove and install radiator. Group 20 Remove and install diesel engine. Section 30 Fuel and air repair.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.